Hey Siri, turn VoiceOver on.
Okay, I've turned VoiceOver on.
VoiceOver is another Apple Watch accessibility feature for the blind or visually impaired. This is a built-in screen reader and helps users navigate the device. And in today's video, we'll show you how to activate this feature. And if you've not already subscribed to our channel, now is the best time to do so. To activate the VoiceOver feature on your watch, first go to Settings, then look for Accessibility, and there you'll see VoiceOver. And just toggle the switch to turn it on. VoiceOver will now speak out whatever is selected on screen, and you can use the crown to move up and down lists or to swipe to choose different items. And finally, double tap on an item to activate it. You can also ask Siri to turn the feature on or off. To turn it off, you can say, "Hey Siri, turn VoiceOver off." To turn VoiceOver on, you can say, "Hey Siri, turn VoiceOver on."
Okay, I've turned VoiceOver on.
And that's how you activate VoiceOver on your Apple Watch. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And click on the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching.